Hello, Math Station 2. This is your How Do I Complete This Math Station video. The first thing that everyone needs to do is go to Google Classroom and click on Classwork. Then find the Math Stations heading and click on the Unit 3 Math Stations. Now, you are in Station 2, so you need to click on the one that says Station 2, just like I did. The team captain is the one that will be in charge of making sure the team is on task and filling out a reflection to let me know how each team member did in this station. It is my expectation that every single student in this station has their camera on, is being appropriate on the camera and in the breakout room, and that they are participating and completing the assignment. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to do. The first slide will give you directions. The video that you hear right now is right here. You will need to copy it and paste it so that you can watch it. Then your team captain is going to have you begin. Remember, the team captain is the only one that is sharing their screen, but you have everything pulled up. So the directions say to read the statements on the toys. You'll notice that the toys are in the middle, and determine if they are true or false. Then you're going to move them by clicking and dragging them to either the true bag or the false bag. Let me model one for you. So this one says the 3 and 36 thousandths has a larger value than the 3 and 397 thousandths. So I have to think about that. Is 3 hundredths larger than 3 tenths? It is not. So I'm going to move it in the false. Okay, so you still have some toys here that you'll sort, and you have some more on this as well. When you are done with both of those, your team captain is the one that's sharing their screen, and you're talking with them, and you're doing it on yours. You're not just sitting and watching. You are physically completing the activity as well. You're going to complete the Station 2 exit ticket. You're going to type in here to tell me, what is your level of understanding? Are you a 1? Are you a 2? Are you a 3? Are you a 4? Tell me right there by typing it in. And then tell me what you mastered. What from this assignment are you really good at? It only relates to this math station. And what do you still need help with within this math station? Not anything else, but in this math station. Then when you're done, you are going to go to this Flipgrid, copy and paste it. You're going to log in with Google, join with Google, and you are going to create a Flipgrid using that link to tell me what you learned at that center, and make sure you tell the station number. So you would say, I participated in Station 2 today, and I learned, and tell me what you learned. Okay? Then when you're all done, your team captain is going to share their screen, and they are going to remind you how to turn it in. All right? Have fun, be responsible, be respectful, be on your best behavior, and get your assignment done.